Hey guys, it's Beth, and today I'm back real quick with a kind of a pad share. Someone had asked me a month or so ago what I would do with this pad. It's Hope and Faith, and by CraftSmart. It's a current Michael's Hot Buy pad, and they wanted to know, what I would make. They wanted to see what I would do with it, for gifting and things like that. So I finally found it. I had a chance to go and find it. And I'm still working on my other Christmas pads, but I also wanted to go ahead and get started on this one as well, so that if you guys wanted to use any of the ideas, you had time. I didn't want to be using it like right at Christmas. I wanted to be able to do it in advance. So I am doing it in conjunction with my other pads, but it's nativity based. Some beautiful images, beautiful, deep, rich, jewel tone colors. There's various size cut aparts, and there's actually a lot of pages that have like a full 12 by 12 image of some sort. So those might be tough to use. I might be able to do, like that one might make pretty bag. But there's some pretty gold detailing in there too, like that one. Probably do bags with those. I haven't fully thought out what I'm going to do with it yet, and that's a beautiful page, but I wanted to go ahead and share this with you guys so I could get your feedback as well. So again, there's like 5 or 6 12 by 12 size images, but it's, beautiful, beautiful paper, beautiful images. So like I said, I could probably make some like big gift bags with those bigger sheets, and then I know I want to do some cards and some tags and some other little gift items, and I think there's some pieces in here that I could also use for some decor pieces as well. But if you have this pad, also let me know, and if you've made anything from this pad, let me know that. Or if you have any ideas of what I can make with this pad, let me know in the comments below. I'm all ears on ideas for this one. Because like I said, someone had asked how I would use it, and so I wanted to go ahead and try and start using it so that, they could, if they wanted to use any of my ideas, that they could have time to do that. So, but I am open to any of your ideas on using this one as well, because like I said, I have those other pads still going, but I wanted to work this one in. So let me know your thoughts. And I also did find at Hobby Lobby these little stickers. They're called Peace on Earth, and the colors don't match exactly, but the images were cute, and I thought at least maybe some of the phrases I might be able to use with this paper. And the only thing I don't like, it's like they're the clear stickers, but I could just back them on some cardstock and hopefully use them that way. But that's all I have for you guys today. Just wanted to get your feedback on this pad and hear some of your ideas. So let me know what you think, and thank you guys so much for your time today, and hope you're having a crafty week.